saber-toothed tiger.
Don't worry, it won't bite you. Relax. It's just a hologram.
What? It's not a real tiger! Wow! You're right! They are all holograms!
This museum is really unique because they are using virtual reality technology to recreate the past. Today's theme is about what it was like to live in prehistoric times.
Wow! Is this a shelter our ancestors built?
Yes, hundreds of thousands of years ago, shelters were built in caves. Then, as we learned to make tools and use fire, we started building more advanced shelters.
Wow! Mia, you know so much!
I learned this information by reading. Interesting facts are displayed in each exhibit here.
That's great! Let's make a video of this hologram and we can study it later. Great! Let's make a video of this! Megabug is causing trouble again! The displays have disappeared! Let's connect with Star HQ! Star HQ, please track Megabug's location!
Megabug is invading the museum's computer system. You need to reset the system by completing the missions in the program. First, you will travel back in time. Second, you will collect building materials. Third, you will use the materials to build a shelter. You will then receive star energy to remove the bug. The star reward will appear when you've gathered all the building materials.
Got it! Let's get started!
Okay.
Open Star Gateway! Cool! Super BOOMi!
Super Mia! Yahoo!
Super Mac!
Super Bibop! Mac, what are you looking for?
Are there saber-toothed tigers here?
It's possible.
But I don't want to meet any of them!
Then we better complete our mission quickly.
Welcome! I will rule the prehistoric world!
It's
Megabug!
Once I've completely taken over this system, I'll absorb all of its energy!
We won't allow you to do that!
Really? The prehistoric world is very dangerous! I don't even need to bother with you! Have fun!
This place is so big. Where can we go build a shelter?
The earliest shelters were built in caves. How are they built then? A suitable cave usually has two conditions. First, it should be near a river, but it must also be on a higher ground to avoid flooding. That slope fits the criteria.
Ah, what is the second condition?
Sunlight. There was no artificial sunlight back then. Best to have a cave that faces south.
Wonderful! Let's go find one!
Whoa.
What's wrong?
Do you have the feeling that something has been following us for a while now?
Let me check. Run! It's a saber-toothed tiger!
Ah! A saber-toothed tiger! It's coming for us! It nearly got us!
I got it. We can make a trap to keep the tiger at bay.
Right. Oh, I read about making a trap using vines. I've never tried it. I don't know if it works.
Let's give it a try together. Bebop, lure the saber-toothed tiger here.
like you fell into our trap.
Let's keep going on our mission.
Yay! We found a prehistoric person! He can't seem to speak properly. How should we communicate with him?
We can use movements.
Oh, that's really smart.
See, would you like to build a home with us?
Congratulations on finishing your first mission.
The second mission is finding the right building materials. We'll need a lot of wood and hay.
Let's look for those in the forest over there.
Java?
Yes, to the forest.
There's some hay over here.
Oh, good. We can't build a home with that bit of hay.
Aha! There's more over there. Wow! Hey, there's so much hay!
I wonder what all this hay was for.
We can use it to build the shelter.
Oh no! It belongs to the wild boars! Put that down and then we leave!
But why? They look pretty cute.
Wild boars are territorial. They have a strong sense of hearing and smell. The baby's parents might think we've invaded their territory.
We better leave now.
Too late. They're here.
Let's run!
Wild boars more agile than the saber-toothed tiger.
Run faster! They'll knock us over! Faster, faster! The baby boar's in danger. We need to save it. Oh? Let's follow the boars.
Okay.
Whoa. With this much hay, we'll be able to build the shelter. Thanks to you.
Thank you! Oh, look! There are flints here.
What are flints?
They are stones that we can use to start a fire.
Congratulations on completing your second mission.
Look! That's the star reward!
Star reward, power me up.
That's great! Now we have a tool!
We're ready to build a home.
Boomy, this is a good site. There's water in the front, there's a forest behind us, a good place for foraging and hunting. And the ground is also elevated.
Those are the good conditions that Mia mentioned before.
That's right. We can start building here. Hey. Hey. Hey.
I was only gone for a moment, and you've completed 2 missions?
Bibop is back!
I won't let you finish building your home! Saber-toothed tiger! There's no way you can escape now!
Mac, catch this!
Don't you dare come near our home! Oh, it seems to have worked!
But I read that wild animals are afraid of fire.
Mia, some animals may fear fire. Since this tiger has grown bigger, it's not afraid of fire, but it's much smaller in size. Oh? Just in time! Let's complete the home now!
Let's go!
There.
Woohoo! We did it!
Congratulations on completing all 3 missions.
Oh no! How did you win again?
Megabug, time for you to disappear! Star technology. Remove the bug!
Megabug has been removed!
Wonderful! Everything's back to normal
Yes,
now.
wonderful.
Mac, what are you reading?
I'm reading the pamphlet from the museum. I want to be like Mia and read lots of books.
The best part of learning is using the knowledge too.
That's right!
Wow, let's sign up for an outdoor summer camp.
Mia, come join the off-road rally. Yahoo! Look at my truck, it's drifting! And check out my off-road vehicle! I've already collected 5 stars! But my truck is faster than yours! Hey, BOOMi! Oh no, what happened? I think something's wrong with our off-road vehicle. Yes, let's check with Star HQ to find out the status. Star HQ, status report.
Megabug has invaded the off-road rally system. You need to enter the system as racers and join an off-road rally with Megabug's henchmen. If you cross the finish line first and win the race, you will unlock star energy to remove the bug. You can collect stars along the track to upgrade your vehicles.
So all we have to do is win the race to remove Megabug.
Let's go then.
Open Star Gateway. Create infinite possibilities. Wow. Wow. Cool. Super BOOMi.
Super Mia!
Yahoo! Yahoo! Super Mac! Super Bibop! Let's go! BOOMi, let's use this high-speed chassis. I want one to help us go faster.
But Mac, that's a sports truck chassis. It's not for off-road rallies.
BOOMi, we need navigation equipment.
Okay,
Oh, the first run is a desert rally. We should take that into consideration.
It must be hot in the desert. Maybe we should choose this open-top Jeep over here.
good idea. It reminds me of my off-road vehicle. All done.
Wow, cool!
Desert Valley Racetrack, here we come!
Mia, what is that place?
The track is in a large desert with strong winds. We should be careful when we go race in the desert.
So we meet again, kids.
Hey, we're going to dominate this race. You can't beat us. Blah, blah, blah.
On your mark,
We'll see about that.
get set, go.
Charge!
Hold on, my seatbelt.
Hey, I said go.
Let's move.
BOOMi, speed up! Overtake them!
Let's go faster.
Bye, see you later!
BOOMi, there are obstacles ahead. Don't bump into them.
You're no match for me.
I think it's time for them to get a taste of Desert Valley sand.
According to the rules, we can collect some stars to upgrade our vehicle.
Look, there's a town nearby. BOOMi, this way.
Activate the four-wheel drive mode.
Sure. Oh no! Hold on! Watch out for the camels! That was close.
BOOMi, we've collected enough stars. Time for an upgrade.
Yeah! It's coding time! Huh? Superstar programming! For off-road rally racing, these parts need to be upgraded. There's the portal! Let's go through it!
Okay.
Howie, pull harder! We need to get out of here! Why are you so weak?
I didn't eat breakfast.
Huh? Hurry! They're catching up to us!
I improved our vehicle's handling, and also upgraded the suspension and added brand new tires.
All of these upgrades doubled our maximum speed. BOOMi, you're a genius.
Yeah! Now we're ready to rally.
We're coming! Hey, Rocky, looks like you're a bit stuck in the mud.
No rush. We'll wait for you by the finish line.
They're so annoying! Stop! Stop!
Hey, Rocky, we have to move the truck first.
I want a new teammate.
We have to pass the lava traps, then we'll see a portal to the rainbow waterfall.
Oh, yeah! Floor it, BOOMi!
What's the hurry, BOOMi? You should enjoy the scenery.
Megabug will show up.
Hey, Megabug lightning strike! If my team can't win, no one can.
Sit tight, everyone. I'll handle this. Super BOOMi!
I'm still alive!
Straight to the finish line!
Whoa, so many clouds! BOOMi, are we driving in the sky?
Mac, it's because we're on a mountain. There should be a lake ahead that can lead us to the rainbow waterfall.
Wow! What? BOOMi, they're catching up to us!
Let's see how you escape now.
We have one more chance to upgrade our vehicle.
I have an idea.
Howie, activate Rhino Horn Smash.
Okay!
Let's do it, everyone!
Start off-road vehicle! Start transforming!
What's going on?
Yeah, we did it!
How dare you block my way? Howie, fire the Hornbill missiles!
The missiles are ready!
Hey, what's that flying towards us?
What a cute little bird!
Fire now!
Follow me! rally race is over. Star Energy, remove the bug!
No! But I still want to play!
Desert Valley and Rainbow Waterfall were amazing. How I wish I could stay there for a few days.
Mia, that's a great idea. We should visit those sites.
Yeah, I'd love to see those places in the real world. Who knows? Maybe we'll get to rally race there too.
After a long search, the sheriff finally caught the Hoppity brothers. He questioned the outlaws and found out where they had hidden the town's gold. Then, he returned it to the townspeople.
Wow, the sheriff in the story is so cool. I want to be brave like him. Pew pew pew, pew pew pew, pew pew, pew pew pew, pew, pew pew, pew pew pew, pew pew.
Mac,
are you all right?
I'm okay. This world looks rich with golden energy.
It's Megabug causing trouble again.
let's enter the ebook world and become part of the story to save the town.
Okay.
Activate facial recognition. Enter Star HQ. Cool.
Wow.
Whoa. Whoa. Star HQ, track Megabug's location.
Megabug is corrupting the storybook the sheriff saved the day. He sent Captain Hippo and his crew into the story world. Your mission is to reboot the system by helping the sheriff recover the town's gold and using the Star Award to remove the bug.
We need to make sure the book has a happy ending.
Okay, let's go! Hee-ha! Open Star Gateway! Create infinite possibilities! Wow! Cool! Super Cowboy BOOMi!
Wow. Super Cowboy Mia! Yahoo! Super Cowboy Matt!
Super Bibop! Let's go! Huh? Hey, Sheriff, could you please tell us what happened here?
3 outlaws came to town. They're even tougher than the Hoppity brothers. I was no match for them. They stole everything. They took the town's gold.
Sheriff, do you know which way they went?
Not really. Those outlaws loaded the gold onto a big truck and left me in the dust.
The town is surrounded by a desert. They're probably gonna meet Megabug. How do we find Captain Hippo?
Hey! Sheriff, was there anything special you noticed about the truck they were driving?
It's the biggest vehicle I've seen.
Oh, if the truck is big, it's probably heavy too. So we can follow these tire tracks.
BOOMi, you're so smart!
But how can we catch up with them? Is there anything we can use?
I prepared our best horses for you to ride. Go get them, cowboys and cowgirl.
Thank you so much, Sheriff!
Come on, let's go find them! Yeehaw!
I wonder which way Captain Hippo went.
There are tracks on the left side of the road. Let's go follow them.
There are also big tracks on the right.
Boomy, these ones look a bit newer. Let's see where they lead.
Okay, let's go.
Look, there's a truck over there. Let's catch up to it.
You were right.
Where's Captain Hippo?
Let's see if the town scold is in here.
All right.
Captain Hippo must have switched the gold onto another vehicle.
He is so tricky. I wonder where he went.
Shh, listen, what's that ticking sound?
Huh? Mac, Mia, are you okay?
I'm all right.
I'm all right.
It was a trap. Captain Hippo must have turned right at the fork in the road. Let's go.
Okay.
Huh? Looks like they tried to alter their track so they could trick us.
Wait, look there. What if they placed the gold onto the train to get out of town even faster?
There's no way our horses can run fast enough to catch it.
I've got an idea. We don't need to run. We can fly. It's coding time! Superstar programming! Ha! Wow! Upgrade complete! Let's fly!
Okay.
Hello, Captain Hippo!
Oh, BOOMi, you found us!
Oh no, Captain. My trap didn't work at all. It failed.
Your plans never work! I guess I'll have to finish the job! BOOMi, get a load of this!
You missed, Captain Hippo. You need some help with your aim.
Let's get on the train!
You don't even have any weapons! You'd better surrender!
So, what should we do? We only have lassos now, Boomy.
Get off of me!
They're coming, Boomy!
When the whole train turns, it's really easy to lose your balance, right? We can let Bebop fly around both Captain Hippo and Howie to distract them.
When they fall down, we can tie them up with our lasso.
Huh? We're at the turn! Go, Bebop! Start flying!
We outsmarted the outlaws!
Let's move quickly. The gold should be in the front compartment.
Okay.
Wow, so much gold!
And now we have to turn the train the other way to bring it back to town.
Let me do it! I've always wanted to operate a train!
You're going too fast!
Oops, I'm sorry!
It's not so easy to control a runaway train, BOOMi!
Oh no! Megabug destroyed the brake system, and now the train won't stop!
Sorry to turn your cowboy world upside down. Ha!
Sit tight, fasten your seatbelts. Since Megabug doesn't want us to stop, let's go faster.
Boomy, what's your plan?
I've upgraded the engine with Superstar programming. If we speed up enough, the momentum will carry us across the canyon. Look, we did it!
That was scary.
Look at the energy!
You made it? But how is that possible?
Star energy, remove the bug! Megabug's virus has been cleaned out of the story software. We did it!
Let's bring the gold back to town.
Okay. Hey there, Sheriff. You'll find all the gold on the train. It's back there at the station.
Thank you so much for all your help.
We're the bravest cowboys and cowgirl.
Yee-haw!
You know what? It really takes more than courage to be a hero.
It takes observation and problem-solving skills, too.
Yeah, I agree. And that was so much fun. It's not easy to be a sheriff, but I can't wait until our next adventure. Yeah, a slam dunk!
Hurry! Pass the ball! Only 3 seconds left!
Pass to me! Too high! I couldn't catch the ball!
Boomy, why can't I move?
Oh no! It's Megabug! Activate facial recognition! Enter Star HQ!
Megabug has invaded the Super Space Basketball game. Your mission is to enter the virtual game and take part in the intergalactic tournament. If you defeat your opponents, you'll win the championship trophy and unlock star energy to remove the bug. You can find Star Reward power-ups available after the second round.
I want to be an intergalactic champion!
Okay, let's go!
Open Star Gateway! Create infinite possibilities! Oh, wow! Cool! Cool! Basketball player BOOMi!
Basketball player Mia!
Basketball player Matt!
Super Bebop! Let's go!
Welcome to Super Space Basketball Tournament. Introducing the Challenger Team.
Woohoo! Yay!
Wow! Whoa! Whoa! This planet is so cool!
I'm excited. I can't wait to dunk the ball. Oh! Oh no!
Whoa!
Okay, it's your turn now.
Whoa! Look at this! The basketball is glowing!
Oh, this is smart basketball. See, each button color represents a different function.
Boomy, the basketball must have been hacked by Megabug!
Oh, he's causing trouble again!
Don't worry, Mac. I can fix this. It's coding time! Superstar programming! Huh? Oh, Super BOOMi! Oh, Mia, catch!
Oh, space has so many stars.
Huh? Huh?
Nice shot! Quick, somebody catch me!
The challenger team score for this round is 95 points. Round 1 goes to the challenger.
Yay! We did it! Mac, that was a pretty creative way to pass the ball.
Round 2 is shooting. The team that scores more baskets within the given amount of time will win this round.
Your basketball skills are out of date. This is the future. We use technology to win.
Huh? His voice sounds familiar.
Huh? It's Captain Hippo!
Huh. Lucky guess, BOOMi. It won't stop me from beating you.
Ready, 3, 2, 1. Game on!
You're no match for me. I'm Captain Hippo.
This is so not fair at all! Oh, my face, it hurt!
We're 10 points behind.
We have to play closer to the basket. Let's use our imaginations to find a solution. I've got an idea. Bebop, time to grow big. Point!
Hurry! Let's work as a team.
Bebop, you're awesome!
Look, it's a star award!
Bebop, go fetch.
How annoying! Captain Hippo, you're worse at basketball than a puppy!
I'm sorry, boss. He got really
I'll make you
big.
pay for this later! Don't celebrate too soon, BOOMi! I'll be seeing you in the next planet!
All right, we better get moving then.
Welcome, everyone, to the final round of the Super Space Basketball Tournament. This is the final showdown between the two teams. The challenger team will face off against Team Megabug.
Surrender now, kids, and maybe I'll let you go home early.
What are you doing here? Where are the real players?
The game is under my control now, so you'll have to beat my team!
Here are the rules of the
Megabug
game.
Lightning Strike! I'm the only one who makes the rules here! Rocky, you'd better win me this round no matter what or else!
Pass it to me.
Hurry up!
Okay, now.
Hey, Rocky, go for it! Here goes Slam Dunk! This game's already over for you little kids. This is too easy.
We're only 10 points behind the game. We can still win the second half. Mac, you're cutting through here. I'm gonna cover for you. Be careful. There are traps on the court. but we've got ourselves a star reward. Bebop, use the star reward now.
Star Reward, hurry up!
Super! Matt, go defend James. Mia, don't let Howie get the ball.
Now see how powerful I can be!
Hi.
Over here! A three-pointer!
Nice shot! Let's keep going, team!
That's a nice block! My time to shine!
My horn!
Max Super Slam Dunk! Yahoo! I didn't use my face this time!
3 seconds left. We must stop them!
Matt!
Mia!
Super Slam Dunk! You're the new champions! It's star energy!
What? Rocky, you were supposed to win! How could you have let me down?
Star energy, remove the bug! Super! Yay! We're the intergalactic champions!
Boomy, it was fun playing in space, but let's play basketball in the real world.
Sure! It's a perfect day to play in the park! Let's go! Hey, Mia, Mac, check this out!
Are you going to show us what you invented this time?
I programmed an ebook that can help us enter and let us become the characters in any story we want.
I've always wanted to be in fairy tales.
Perfect, then you'll love the first story. It's called The Adventure of the Magic Pearl.
Legend has it that deep in the ocean, there's a magical pearl. Pirates have been looking for it for years to unlock its powers.
If the pearl has magic powers, it must have a lot of energy. I'll be more powerful if I take it.
Megabuck's at it again!
Let's go to Star HQ and find out what's happening. Activate facial recognition. Enter Star HQ.
Wow!
Star HQ, track Megabuck's location.
Megabug has changed the story in the ebook program. He is controlling the Hammerhead Pirate Brothers to find the magic pearl. Your mission is to go to the Merfolk Palace and protect the energy pearl. If you help the Merfolk King, he'll give you a map to find the pearl and you'll unlock star energy.
So now, we're going to the underwater world. So let's take our super submarine.
Hey!
Open Star Gateway! Create infinite possibilities!
Cool!
Super BOOMi! Can you tell me what happened here?
I'm King Toba. My daughter Tofi has been captured by pirates.
Huh? Do you know where they took her? Maybe we can help get her back.
The pirates brought Tofi to the Coral Cliff. They want the magic pearl in exchange for her.
Don't worry. We'll get Tofi back to you for sure.
Stay here and keep guard. If King Toba comes, notify me at once. I'm going to check if the king has sent anyone to come rescue Tofi.
Don't worry, Cam. With me here, she can't escape.
I just saw Cam leave. Now's our chance.
But the Hammerhead brothers look really tough, and they're guarding the entrance to the cave.
We can lure him out of the cave first, and then after that we can sneak Tofi out. I programmed this bubble accelerator and can spray bubbles to distract them.
Bubble accelerator? That sounds like a lot of fun. I'll distract Kenny so you can save Tofi. Hey, silly shark, come and catch me, babe.
Little zebra, I'm gonna get you!
Princess Tofi, we're here to save you. I'm Mia, and this is BOOMi.
Let me scan the coding here. Hey, these squirrels are infected with Megabug's virus. Activate Star Cannon. Clean the viruses in the corals.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Let's go see how Mac is doing.
Where's BOOMi? I'm getting tired. Oh no! Time out! I'm getting a call.
Mac, mission accomplished.
Aw, bye, silly shark. I'm not playing this anymore.
Mac! We saved Princess Tofi. Let's bring her back to the palace.
Hello there! Can you hear me? Hello? Cam?
What's going on?
Wow, I can hear you loud and clear!
I told you to watch over Tofi. Where is she?
There was a funny little zebra who came by, so I chased him away. When I got back, Tofi was gone!
Well, they must have gone to the Merfolk Palace. Let's go after them.
We're happy that Princess Tofi is safe and sound. King Toba, I'm afraid we're gonna need your help this time.
Of course, how can I help you?
We need to borrow the treasure map you're keeping to find the magic pearl before Megabug steals it, so we can finally stop him.
You saved my daughter. Of course I'll lend it to you. But only Tofi knows the magic spell to unlock the shell holding the pearl.
Okay, thank you.
Look, they have the treasure map!
Wait, we can just follow them around. What I plan to do is, once they find the pearl, we can steal it.
Right, wait, so, what's the plan then?
According to this map, we have to go past undersea volcanoes to reach Jellyfish Canyon. Then, we'll find the shell holding the magic pearl.
It's so exciting that we're going to get the chance to see it up close.
Look there! It's the undersea volcanoes!
BOOMi, where are you going? Things are about to get hot in here.
Megabug triggered the volcano. If we don't go, we'll be cooked.
We have to get out of here before the volcanoes explode.
Based on the sound waves that I've detected, I think I found a path we can follow to escape.
Right, Tofi knows this underwater world better than us, so we should trust her instincts.
Turn left! Quick, to the right!
That was a close call. Thank you, Tofi.
We're a team. There's no need to thank me.
You were absolutely right!
Following them led us to the magic pearl.
We better get it first! Let's go!
Just wait, Kenny. Let's create some obstacles for our friends.
No problem!
BOOMi, you'll be stuck here. The pearl is ours.
It's the Hammerhead brothers. They were the ones who caused all this.
If they get the pearl first, they'll give it to Megabug.
Must be a way we can get past these jellyfish. Let's use our imaginations to solve this. I've got an idea. Tofi said these jellyfish are sensitive to sound waves. It's coding time!
Superstar programming! Star sonic emitter!
What? How did you make it out? We'll have to deal with you ourselves. Kenny, go and catch them!
Nick, are you alright? Ouch, that hurts! Why didn't the sonic emitter work?
Oh, I know! Come catch me, silly shark!
You're so smart!
Megabug, you've located the pearl. It's nearby. Please come quickly.
Where is it? Where's the energy pearl?
It's in the coral, but Kenny is trapped by the jellyfish.
What would you do without me? Yeah! Yeah! Hurry up! Get the magic pearl for me!
Kenny is getting stronger. What should we do?
Mac, give me the sonic emitter. Huh? It's coding time! Superstar programming!
What's wrong?
I have no idea. I just heard a loud noise that made my head hurt. It made me dizzy too.
Do you want some more?
No way! We quit!
Huh? Why did it work on them this time?
Different fish can hear certain sound waves and these affect them. So I reprogrammed the sonic emitter so its frequency affected the sharks.
I see. That's smart. Now that the Hammerhead brothers are gone, let's go to the magic pearl.
Look! We unlocked star energy!
What? I can't believe you found the pearl first!
Star energy, remove the bug!
Super! Boom, boom, boom! The sonic emitter is so cool!
Thanks, I'm glad it worked. I didn't know sound waves could affect animals differently.
It's so cool that we can travel inside the storybooks and learn about nature at the same time. Let's read another story. Yeah!